So today we will do the preparation for step 5 of Surya Namaskar, that is Ashtang. So come to fourth posture, plank posture. So from plank we will place our knee down. We will place our chest down in front. Yes. So hand should be at chest level. Proper. This is the Ashtang posture, fifth posture of Surya Namaskar, and breathing will be normal over here. Many people have observed that they are not able to do this posture, Ashtang posture. So what they can do, they can simply lie down. Go down. Yes. So you can simply lie down and relax over here. If you are not able to do Ashtang, you can simply lie down. Okay. Now come out. Okay, Hazel, now we'll show them the common mistake which people generally do while doing Ashtang.
Right.
So come to plank posture. Okay, place your knee down. And many people while doing Ashtang, what they do, they just widen their shoulder like this. So what happens? Due to this, they are putting extra pressure on their neck. Okay, and even the when we will do the next step, it will not help you to go directly to next step. You will get stuck over here. Okay, come on. So can you please show them once again the proper step?
Yes.
Go to plank
First,
posture.
go in the plank position.
Place your knee down, chest down, and breathing down. Okay. So come up.
So this completes the step 5 for us. It's not very difficult as it looks. As in when you will try to do it in steps, like first plank, then put the knee down, then try to take the chest forward. So in this way you will be able to achieve this course. Thank you very much and stay tuned for the upcoming video.